NXU stock analysis, super interesting. And in this 1 minute video, I'm covering whether it's buy or not for me. With NXU, I did see a 24% increase from Friday. That's the performance, but like week to day, like just end of week report, we went down 52%. And that's like just looking at the broader picture. This is not looking good, honestly. Like, again, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands on courses and mentors and documented everything. And from a day/swing trade perspective, the only real bullish range that this thing is going to have is if it actually starts breaking above 66 cents. But I don't think that you're aware how close we are to just grabbing a crap ton of liquidity beneath these lows. It's like 20 cents is far closer than 67, you know, so we're going to see how this might move. But like I'm talking about even like getting into a short sell as long as like I see that little pullback being met. But if it's not met, I'm just not going to force, you know, so I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.